welcome back to another video on Budget with Soph. If you are new here, my name is Sophia and this is my channel. On my channel we do budgeting, we do cash stuffing, and we save our coins. So if any of those things are interested to you, do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join our journey. We are on our way and becoming debt-free in 2023. So today we are going to be doing a paycheck cash stuffing. Okay, so this is our last paycheck for the month of March, and guys, just like that, March is done. So let's get into our budgeting for our paycheck. So this is our paycheck budget sheet. So we got paid on March 24th, and our next paycheck will be April 7th. Like, wow. So our income for the month for this paycheck was $1,217.11. So this is going to be a quick budget, and then we're going to hop into the cash stuffing. So our rent, we paid the second half of our rent, and that was $654.97. We paid that, and I'm not 1 month ahead, so this is March's rent, so it was extra late. All right, y'all. So I do what I gotta do, and it works for me. So do what works for you. Don't worry about what other people are doing. So yeah, my car insurance, I paid the second half of that, and that was $165.84. Wait, no, that is not my car. No, that is my car insurance. This is my car insurance, the whole thing. And then we had my car note, which is $164.79. Then we paid our cell phone and our internet. Like you guys know, I joined T-Mobile, so that was $185.97. I do have to get money back from this because I'm paying for something that I don't have anymore. So I deleted it but they were saying because the billing period was done, I still had to pay for it. So I finna get money back, and I'm gonna make sure of it. So if they think they're gonna play games with me and my no money having ass, they better think again. So we're gonna add that all up and then figure out how much is left, which you guys will see is not that much. So here comes my dilemma. All right, 64.79 plus 185.97. As you can see, that equaled to $1,171.50. 7 cents. So out of what I got from my paycheck, 1, 2, and as you can see, I have $45 left in my buffer. Now, what am I gonna do for my groceries and household and my wallet? So I'm just going to have to take out money from my savings. So I took out $160, and this is how my expenses will go for the next 2 weeks. And yeah, I will be babysitting, but I'm trying to use my babysitting money to stuff my cash envelopes because that is side hustle, and I don't feel like I should be paying bills with those. So I took out $160, right? So I took $70 for groceries, $10 for household, the usual. Pet care will be getting $10, which is the usual. Gas will be getting $40, which is the usual, and beauty will be getting $20. Personal is not going to be getting anything. This, I really don't have money, so I'm not gonna put myself in more debt to buy things that I shouldn't be buying. Wait, 70 plus 10 plus 10 plus 40 plus 20. I took out 150 or 160. It depends, but if I do have more money, I know where I'll put this money at, because yeah, that's just what my budget is looking for my paycheck for paycheck number 2 of March. Yeah, guys, this is that's literally it. That's all I'm doing. So let's get into our cash stuffing. We have our cash from the bank. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. So, yeah, we have 165. The $5 was from the extra 5 that I have no idea where it was supposed to go. So I just left it in here, and we're just going to use it, I guess, in this cash stuffing. So, what we're going to get out is our wallet. I'm stuffing my wallet. Put this to the side, and as you can see, there's not much money left. Groceries will be getting 70, so 2, 4, 6, and 7. It has nothing left over from last paycheck, so yeah. Pet care will be getting $10. I'll put 2 5s. Gas will be getting 40, 20. Household has cash money left, so I'll put that back here. We got $10. And household is not getting anything. Oh, no, it's getting $10. Whoa. Beauty is getting 20. So it has now 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. $40 in beauty. And in personal, we are going to get nothing. So we have... Oh, wait. Did I not put household? Anything in household? Groceries, pet care. No, household has 10. Okay. So, yeah, personal is not getting anything. So, there's that for the wallet. I'm putting 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3 and 3. All right. So let's see our change. Let's see how a change is set up. Losing coins. So we have $1.25. $1, 25, 50, 65, 75. So 75 cents I'll leave in here. And I will put the rest, these coins, in our safe. Here's our coins jar. We have $10, $15 left, and we are going to go into our savings challenge, and we are going to put this $15 in our monthly savings, because the month is almost done, so gotta make sure that we have the money that we need. And I don't think we're gonna make it this month, to be honest. And the rollover will be going in our rollover envelope, which is $5, $10, $15. So for our rollover for the month of March, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, $40 in rollover. So yeah, guys, this is it for our second paycheck of March. If this is a video that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, click the bell so you are notified every time that I upload. If you guys are struggling too, do go ahead and leave a comment, because y'all see this second paycheck, it was a struggle. I had to make it stretch. I got everything paid this month, but it's still like, wow, your girl needs to hustle more, and I don't have any time, because right now I'm working my 9 to 5. I do my side hustles, but I don't do a lot. Like, they haven't been asking me, so that's that. And then I also go to school, guys. So yeah, it's hard out here. But yeah, this is it for our cash stuffing for this video, and I'll see you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.